Hi, everyone, welcome back to the Idea channel. Today I'm going to show how to fix no internet connection in any operation of window. As you can see, I tried to go to Google or Gmail or Facebook, but it show no internet. I have checked by ping too. It reply back. And I have checked on my network connection also connect and have internet, but why I can't access to any website? Even I try to change my browser also show the no internet. So to fix this it's so easy, just see my video. And you can read the structure on my description. So the reason is because of you have installed any software that affect your internet proxy server. So to fix this just go to control panel. And click on Internet option. And click on Connections. Find the LAN settings and click on that, then unclick on Proxy Server and click OK. After that let go to any website again. So thank for watching, and if this helpful please help subscribe to support me.